Hi guys, what's up? Today I'll be trying to fix my leather upholstery here in the car. You can see it's a dual color trim in red and black, and actually this trim goes around the entire car. I've got that on my dashboard, I've got that on my seats right there. And this technique is actually from a fellow YouTuber. I'll link the account below. And he came up with these tricks, but all you'll need is actually pretty easy to get. It's pretty cheap. So you've got a can of washing up liquid over here. Sorry, not washing up liquid, turpentine, right? Turpentine lacquer thinner, which you can get cheaply. You got 2 cans of spray paint. Try to get the paint to match your color interior as much as you can. Some gloves to protect your hands, and of course an old rag. So we're gonna try and do up this interior a little bit, at least try on the seats. Now this is torn, so I'll have to do something else with this here. I don't like using leather repair kits, so I might actually try restitching that at some point. But what we'll do is a color restoration now, and I'll show you guys what to do with these cheap products. You know, these cost about 50 cents. This is $1 or €1, whatever you like. These cans were about $2 each, and this was $1.50, right? So for under 10 bucks, we're gonna attempt to restore our leather. So how we're going to start is pretty easy. We're going to start with the black. So what you have to do, take your spray can. Some of these things have sealant rings, like this ring right here. So you need to take that out first, otherwise it won't spray. Then we put our cap back on like so. There you go. Just test it out. Does it do something? Yeah, there you are. So what you want to do, give this a nice shake, and then spray a nice thick layer of paint on here, right? Yeah. Okay, cool, that'll do. Put our lid back on, and we give this a fold over, like so. And then we add a little bit of the thinning liquid on here, right? Just give it a nice big, there you are. Okay, so what the thinner does, it will, well, obviously thin out the paint, spread it through the towel, but it will also agitate the paint in the old seat, thinning that up, so it will give us a blend. So then all you have to do, old seat, towel, and start rubbing it in like so. All right, I'm doing this with one hand here, guys, so just bear with me. Try to get all nooks and crannies. Don't get it on your red here, in this case just on the black, and just go over it a couple of times like this. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this is not going to actually fix your cracks in the leather. It's not supposed to be doing that. It's just going to really sink into the leather that you're agitating with your hand and recolor these cracks so it looks a lot better than it did before. Now this will dry up nicely, but you need to give it time to dry, and just kind of go over the rest here as well. Now once you're done with all of this, what you actually want to do as well, and we're not going to do that right now because I don't have it handy, but that's a leather upholstery care kit that just moisturizes your leather and keeps it shiny, which will really give a nice finishing touch to these seats. But there you go. I'm just going to finish up these seats, then I'm going to apply the red and show you guys how that looks like. Okay guys, so this is it. We're done here. So I sprayed everything on the cloth. I did the red, I did the black. We used a wax polish kind of product, which is for plastic upholstery. I used this on my motorbike seats as well. All the black plastics makes them come out really nice and shiny. Use that instead of the leather upholstery care product that we were talking about, as I don't have it handy. But check it out, right? That is a million times better than before. The reds come out nicer, the blacks come out nicer. You can see, of course, there's still some of the cracks remaining over there. As I said, the coloring technique doesn't really take the cracks out, but it just fills them in with color. But check it out, right? This looks pretty presentable, and just for under 10 bucks, so right, that's worth the money.